Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my morning routine. As you all know, I'm using the ordinary product and I have a few breakouts in my face. Also, I'm using it to treat texture irregularities, hyperpigmentation and acne. You can see my face, so I came up to show you guys a picture of what I took. You can see how my face looks like. It's a journey and I would like you guys to join me on this journey. You can see how my face looks like now, so I'm going to be working on that. So this is my morning routine. So I start using the ordinary products and I'm just using a few products for the time being, and I will keep updates of when I keep adding more products to this. So first I'm just using the alpha abatine. I'm now just putting it on different sections of my face and rubbing it in. So this is my first time using it, and I just rub it over my face and it feels like it's not much. So I'm gonna be adding a little bit more later on. So this is the product I'm using, alphabatine. And I'm just going to be using this for the period of this journey, in the morning and at night time as well. So I added a few more alphabatine to my face, and I'm just going to be rubbing it in on the sections where I notice I have the spots. So it's like a spot treating. I'm just putting it on where I have the dark spots, the acne coming out, also my T-zone, because on my forehead I have a lot of rashes breaking out as well. So after doing that, I'm just going to rub it in and make sure it soaks into the skin. So I'm just rubbing it into my skin in circular motion from one cheek to another. That's how I like putting my skincare on my face, one cheek and the next cheek and then my forehead. And I'm just pressing it in to make sure it's properly into the skin and is dried out completely before putting the next treatment. So right now I'm just pressing it gently into my skin to make sure the alphabatine soaks into my skin layer, and just pressing it slowly and making sure it dries as well. So like you also, I use a little bit much, so I'm just applying it to my neck, the extra, just pressing it down to my neck to make sure it's not too much and it dries properly. So next I'll be using niacinamide plus zinc. If you see my first video of my unboxing of the ordinary products, you'll see the niacinamide plus zinc I'm using. The link is in the description as well. So I apply it on my cheeks and then on my forehead again, and then I'm rubbing it in gradually using the same method I use while applying the alpha-batine again, and just a little bit more, and then applying it to the skin. I'll be rubbing it in and then pressing it into the skin as well. After pressing the niacinamide zinc into my skin, I'm going to be applying sunscreen on my face because this is morning time and I'll be going out during the day as well. And also remember to use whatever sunscreen you like. That's why I'm not showing the products of the sunscreen I'm using. I'm just going to be applying in different sections of my face and I'll rub it in gradually. So guys, even if you can see the sun can see you. If you're going out during the day, make sure to apply sunscreen to your face and protect your skin as well, and the products get to their job while being protected from the sun as well. So I'm just applying it to my face. You can see my face already has a different color from the sunscreen, so it's just good to just press it in and press it in and make sure it completely blends with the skin as well. So this is my morning routine, guys. Like I said, I'm using a few products for now. and I'm just using niacinamide and alpha protein, and I use my sunscreen and I'm just rubbing it in. And this is my morning routine for the time being, and when I update I'm gonna let you guys know. So this is what my face looks like after using the sunscreen. It looks a little bit different, but it's good. And thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.